How to avoid smudging on your drawing. So this drawing that I did earlier, and it is a bit smudged around the edge, but that's because I've taken the tape off. When I draw, I get a backing board. So I use my old backing boards off my sketch blocks. I hang on to them and stack them away and use them for anything smaller than an A3. Or I have these sheets, which is just MDF with a coating. You can get it at Bunnings or any hardware store and get them cut to size, and then you can put your piece of paper on there and tape it down to use it. Just with some of this Scotch Blue tape, non-stick tape. It doesn't not stick forever. You do have to be careful about not leave it on there too long. But if you tape it up along the edges like this, and that will give you a lovely clean edge on your drawing. And you'll be ready to go. And also, being on the board, you won't have any lumps or bits of dirt or things to make lumps under your drawing that will come through. It gives a nice smooth finish that you're working on, and you won't have any trouble with that sort of thing. Don't ever work in your sketchbook. Take your piece of paper out and tape it to a board. So that's what I've done with that one. And then when you finish the drawing, you pull the tape away from the paper like that, so that if it does catch a little bit, or it does have a little bit of moisture on it and tears the paper, it will tear it away from your drawing, not into it. And that gives you a nice clean finish on the edge of your drawings. Now, if you were going to add to a drawing, or if you're doing a drawing and you're wanting to start over here and you don't want to smudge this area, just grab a fresh piece of paper and tape it in position, or just hold it in position if you like, but taping it in position is going to hold it so that it doesn't smudge anything underneath. So put a little bit of tape across the top of it, and that will just hold it in place while you work on this part of your drawing. And then just carefully peel it back and shift it over as you go.